This video is for multiplications and divisibles. Multiplications and divisibles. Okay, so multiplications and divisible. This is actually there is a rules, that is, if it is a multiplication, if this goes to out of equal value, that is becomes a divisible, and a divisible value, if it goes to out of equal, it is a multiplications. Okay, that is only the rule. The last class we have seen that plus value, if this goes to out of equal, it becomes a minus, and a minus value, if this goes to out of equal value, then it is plus. Okay, so if as per the divisible value, there is a multiplication will become a divisible, and divisible become a multiplication. This is the rule can be applicable now. That is, first we can see one example, that is simple ones. 10 by 2 which is equal to 5. 10 by 2 which is equal to 5. Okay, if you, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, numerator and a denominator. Okay, this is a values and this is a quotient value. Okay, actually at our school level, this we can write as a 2 divided by 10. Okay, this is the 5. Like this we can calculate it. Okay, this value is divisor. This value is called a divisor. Okay, which value can be divided. Okay, with which value we have to be divided, that is the divisor. And this middle value is called a dividend, and whatever is the answer, this is a quotient value. This is the remainder. Here the remainder is a nil. Okay, so divisor is a 2 and the dividend is a 10 and the quotient value is a 5 and the remainder value 10. Okay, so in this question, if it is right as a like this, okay, then it is 10 divided by 2 which is equal to 5. That is a numerator and denominator. This is a dividend value, and this 2 is called a divisor, and this is a quotient value. This 5 is called as quotient value. Okay, that is a quotient value. Okay, quotient value is of 5. Okay, if you don't know the numerator, here instead of pronouncing divisor, dividend and quotient and remainder values, here I can pronounce it numerator and denominator only. Okay, anyhow, this is a numerator and denominator values. Okay, for example, if you don't know the numerator, okay, in this value x divided by, for example, it is 20 which is equal to 5. Okay, in this case the value how to compute the x means, just you should be multiplied with the denominator value and this is a quotient value. Okay, denominator value and quotient value, if you are multiplied this, okay, then it is called as, okay, then you will get x value, that is x equal to 20 into 5 which is equal to 100. Okay, that is only the value. Okay, like this we can compute it. So if you don't know the numerator, that is dividend value, okay, like this we can compute it. Okay, here can I write like this, that is 20 is called as divisor into quotient, which is equal to dividend. Okay, this is the value whenever the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0, then only it can be applicable. Okay, remainder is 0. If it is there any remainder, you should be add it. That is divisor into quotient plus remainder, which is equal to dividend, Okay, like this we can compute it. Next one, okay, means in this value, in this question, if you don't know the numerator, okay, the denominator value and quotient value, you should be multiplied it. That is only this question. Okay, that is the example 1. Okay, next example 2. If you don't know the divisor, that is denominator. If you don't know the denominator, then how to compute the denominator? That is 50 divided by x equal to 50 divided by 5 equal to 5. 50 divided by 5 equal to 50 divided by x equal to 5. So this value is a dividend value and this is a quotient value, and you don't know the divisor. Then how to compute means whenever you don't know the denominator value, that is the quotient values and denominator, we should be exchange it. Okay, like this type of sums. That is 50 divided by 5 equal to x. 50 divided by 5 equal to x. That is, which is equal to 50 divided by 5. 5 ones are tens. Okay, 5 tens, it is 50, which is equal to x equal to, finally x equal to 10. Like this we can compute the value. Okay, so here can I write like this? So that is divisor equal to, quotient, dividend divided by quotient. Okay, dividend divided by quotient. Okay, then you will get divisor. Okay, like that one also we can compute it. That is dividend divided by quotient, which is equal to divisor. Okay, like this we can solve the simple problem. Instead of remainder, these are all those ones, formulas and so on. So simple one. If you don't know the denominator, then exchange of these are the values. These values. Okay, that is only the simple mathematics. Okay, so in our lifetime, this is the rules can be, should be used in any arithmetic or mathematics also. Okay, in arithmetic also it can be used very usefully. Okay.